Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Whimsy 13-piece safe and organic unicorn travel beauty kit. A dreamy makeup set made just for girls, preteens, and teens. This kit is all about safe fun with non-toxic, cruelty-free, and vegan products that are water-washable, perfect for young beauty lovers. Let's dive into this magical unicorn box. First up, the packaging. It's adorable with a unicorn theme and travel-friendly size so you can take it anywhere. Inside we've got a lip balm. It's hydrating with a light sheen thanks to shea butter and jojoba oil. I put it on and my lips feel so soft. Next, the lip cheek tint. This multitasking gem in a cute pot gives a natural flush to my lips and cheeks. I dabbed it on and it's buildable and skin-friendly. Then the lip gloss. It's non-sticky with a subtle shine. I tried the pink shade, and it's perfect for a glossy pout without the mess. The eye glitter is a standout, sparkly and safe with biodegradable glitter. I swiped it on my lids, and it's dazzling yet gentle on my eyes. The nail polish is water-based and peel-off. I painted my nails a fun purple, and it dries fast with no harsh chemicals. The kit also includes brushes, a set of small mermaid-shaped ones and larger ones. They're soft and great for applying everything smoothly. There's a beauty blender too, bouncy and perfect for blending the tint. Oh, and extras like stick-on nails and a nail sticker, so cute for a mini mani. This set is amazing for safe play. Everything washes off with water and it's packed with natural goodies like vitamin E. It's not pro level, the glitter could be more intense, but for young girls, it's a total win. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full unicorn-inspired look. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this Whimsy kit or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.